Today we are unboxing the FlySky FS, the F6IS 2.4 gigahertz 6 channel receiver and transmitter set. So this comes with the F6IA6B receiver. So I got it from Banggood.com for around $42. This is how it was packed fairly okay. It's come through the post. The box is a bit crushed, but I think that's just fine. Inside the box is this transmitter set. So there doesn't seem to be any manual with it. There's just this transmitter, and oh, there's the receiver as well. So that's it. Pretty simple box. This is the receiver, the F6IA6B 6 channel 2.4 gigahertz receiver, and the 6 channel F6I6 FlySky remote. So you can use this for gliders, helis or airplanes. A quick look at the specifications. 6 channel, slightly low RF power, a GFSK code system, and 1024 bit sensitivity. It has a low voltage warning. That's great. It has a trainer port. It doesn't have a charger port, so it's only the 4 batteries that you've got to use. It's an antenna, and it weighs at under 400 grams. It does have a display, so that's a dot matrix display, and yes, you can update it online. And let's look at the receiver specs. So again, the receiver is paired with this transmitter. It has a data acquisition port. Now this is a digital proportional radio control system. It has a bind key, and of course it has a trainer port as well, so that's a great thing. Doesn't come with batteries included, so you need 4 AA batteries. But all in all, a fairly inexpensive way to get into RC, fairly inexpensive remote.